Nestled in the heart of Europe, famous for its precision watches, delicious chocolates, and breathtaking nature, this is Switzerland. Switzerland isn't just a financial hub, it's a dream destination for travelers. Let's explore some of its most iconic tourist attractions together. Zermatt is one of Switzerland's most famous mountain resorts. Towering above it is the legendary Matterhorn, a dream for climbers. In winter, it's a skiing paradise. In summer, a hiking haven. Zurich, the largest city in Switzerland, is where modern life meets rich history. Enjoy a lakeside walk or shop in the charming streets of the Old Town. Located on the shores of Lake Geneva, Château de Chillon is one of the most romantic spots in Switzerland. This medieval castle has stood for over 1,000 years. Interlaken, a town nestled between mountains, is an adventure lover's dream. From skydiving to whitewater rafting, this place is pure thrill surrounded by natural beauty. Bern, the capital of Switzerland, is full of old-world charm. Its UNESCO-listed Old Town, medieval towers, and calm atmosphere give you a true Swiss feel. Switzerland is not only about mountains, it's a land of fine chocolate, famous cheese fondue, and world-renowned watches. If you love nature, culture, and adventure, Switzerland is calling your name. Like the video and tell us in the comments, which place would you visit first?